Yo, haha, Bill Nicholson.
YouTube, what is good? Your boy Bill Nicholson coming back with another video, and man, time has been going crazy. It's like you try to do something, you want to do something, you can't do it because you're just in demand. Like you just feel like you want to do something, but you can't do it because this requires time, that requires time. Time is more valuable than money, in my opinion. I'm just saying, at least the things that I'm going through, time is more valuable than money. So anyway, your boy Bill Nicholson is back with another video, not a review, just a video. For those that didn't know, you probably seen on my previous video that I was going to do, and I actually intend on doing, the giveaway for the AncestryDNA kit. Now, I do have some packages that came in from Nike. Eventually, when I get some time, I will be doing those reviews for those shoes. I got a couple shoes on the way. If anybody wondering, yeah, I struck out on the Kobe stuff. It was Bot City, and unfortunately, it's probably one Kobe shoe Pro left. I'm gonna try, but I don't have I don't have high hopes for those shoes. But I do have a Kobe jersey that I won with the Nike Connect on it. So not even one. I kind of purchased it before this whole thing just got out of control with the reselling and stuff like that. So yeah, I think a lot of people were looking to have a personal cop for those Kobe projects and the shoes and the jersey, but it just didn't work like that. But back to what I'm doing. So the AncestryDNA kit, the rules are for this. If you are subscribed to the channel, obviously you're good. For those that have not subscribed, you will have to be subscribed in order to participate in this giveaway. As many know, I try to do as much giveaways as possible. And again, thank you very much for the people that have got me over 1,500 subscriptions. I really do appreciate that. And also, here are the contingencies to this giveaway. 1, you have to be obviously subscribed. 2, you have to be in the United States. And 3, you have to be 18 years of age. And I say that because this is going to reveal a lot. And unfortunately, for those that are willing to take that extra step to find out what their heritage is and kind of get like a history or some type of tracking information to kind of get like a start of where to look and things like that. This is the greatest thing you could ever get, because this will answer a lot of questions that you may have about yourself, your family, and things like that. And sometimes I think when it comes to being 18, at least in the United States, that's when you're an adult and you can make that decision whether to do it or not. So in this case, 18 years, I think, is a fair assessment to actually give this prize away. And also, it has to be in the United States simply because of the whole pandemic and what's going on. And sending this thing overseas is crazy. So, with that said and done, your boy Magnificent, how do you enter? Well, I just said it. You just have to be subscribed to the channel and comment below, I'm curious. That's literally, just comment below, I'm curious. You'll be automatically entered. If you're subscribed to the channel and you comment below, I'm curious, this will be going on for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. The reason why I'm doing this now, because I just looked at the sneaker schedule, and there's so much stuff going on right now. And on top of that, you got kids going back to school. Kids are already back at school for some regions in America. And then you have a lot of kids that are getting ready to go back to school. So I kind of wanted to, like, if I waited for the actual time, this giveaway probably wouldn't be done until September, like mid-September, possibly the end of September. So I figured now would be a good time. It's a Wednesday. There were no big shoe releases, and obviously after today, it's going to be crazy. So this giveaway will be revealed on the date that I'll announce on a future video. But if you want to enter, again, all you have to comment below is I'm curious. On the Magnificent channel, you must be a subscriber, you must be 18 and in the United States of America. So your boy Magnificent, good luck to everybody that is going to enter in order to get this free AncestryDNA kit on me. And do not worry if you do not win. I'm telling you right now, there's more prizes as this channel grows. I will be giving away more. You know, your boy is always looking out for not just people in the sneaker community, but people in general. With whatever knowledge I have, you know, I try to disperse as soon as possible. So your boy Magnificent, I'm going to try to get back to this work. Your boy's been crazy busy, and I will try to get those out the way by tomorrow. So look for those videos as well. I'm not going to reveal what shoes they are, but there's quite a few coming. They'll be interesting, and then I'll put my little spin on it. So your boy Magnificent, I am out. It is Wednesday. Wednesday. It is Wednesday. And you guys stay blessed.